Yo, let's watch some South African television and talk about it. Today we have Netflix's latest offer starring Untobeko Sishi, Tandoluthu Zondi, Tando Tabete, Masali Paduza, and Ubongile Manzai. I've been seeing the romantic comedy making the rounds on social media and I decided to check it out with you guys. Okay. Ooh. Mm, 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 mm. Brother, are you sleeping? This man, bro.
Wow, man. Damn.
He's a billionaire's kid.
No, hey, delivering takeaways not part of my job description.
Not.
I'll invite your crush to the blue skies.
Boy, this is one hell of a view.
You know, Ovi, I've given
OV.
up everything to build you this empire. Or seven.
I don't think that's what he meant, bro.
Mid-level executive position. I'll mentor you
Okay,
every step.
the father clearly doesn't listen.
I don't think that's for me, Dad. Wait too.
Is he gonna call me?
I don't think he's gonna call you, sis.
Yeah, probably not.
Yeah.
That's very good, Amashi. Saved the life today.
I'd love to.
Okay, this is Amashi.
Chummy, it's Da Vinci 4th Gen. Da Vinci 4th Gen is forever. My bachelorette is for one night.
What?
So you know my mom.
I mean, you can do whatever you want to do, but I have to be the dreams of my ancestors.
The circumstances are not the same, boy. Circumstances are different.
You find out you have no idea. Hi.
Yeah, she's now fucking with Nazi. She wants the rich kid.
I bet you.
Let the trading begin!
You know there's an empty barrel over there if you're looking for a partner.
Okay.
What if I join the internship program at the new wine farm?
I phone lang.
Okay, fine, maybe I want the lamp.
Of course you
When
do.
I come first in the internship, then I'll take the car. Not before then.
Oh, wait. No one knows what I look like.
Is this about that girl?
It is. It is.
Bro, I can't bet you the Lambo.
You beat me as yours.
My name's Nati, and I'm joining him on the internship.
Yeah, nobody cares about you, bro. Yo.
I get that for you.
Oh,
Hey, brother. Ish,
Hi.
you.
brother. Ish, I had the biggest crush on her when she was still on
Perfect. I know. I mean,
My Perfect Family.
The most deserving candidate will earn themselves a junior marketing position here at Sigebi Winery. Excellent, yes, people.
Has bro ever made a coffee in his life?
Enthusiastic, where's my coffee?
Oh my god.
I could do it.
I know who you are.
What?
Don't expect me to treat you differently from the other interns.
I need to see a doctor. You see my doctor. What?
Yeah. Bro's got his own doctor. The whole day.
Hi. So right now my heart is racing.
Okay.
And I'm sweaty. I'm definitely sick. I'm lovesick.
Okay, fine.
Love is a dangerous condition.
Do conversations ever go like this in real life?
You want to coach me?
Starting from tomorrow morning.
Where is this house?
You okay? Club. Main idea.
5 a.m.
Your day affects the
Meditation. Okay. She's getting the hang of things.
Hey, you like her?
Who doesn't, bro? It's time to do
There we go. Good. I knew it.
Let me tell you about it. Come.
W man.
See
It's
what
W
you do. It's not
wingman.
gonna work.
This doctor, bro.
I admitted her when he called. It's fine. Go.
A waiter.
And you're a fucking asshole, nigga.
Love should be fed.
And we can't get like a mind. Okay. Trying to recreate that Romeo and Juliet scene. That looks like a penis, bro.
Delivery for Unati? I mean, Ovi, sorry. So are you, one of the sides? Excuse me?
Look, go that way. I'll go this way.
Crazy people going after rich people for their money.
Yes, yeah, right?
Yeah.
Don't play me like my dad played my mom.
Ish.
Fast.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nigga.
Most delicious thing that's ever passed through my lips.
Huh.
It should have been me, not him! It's not fair!
This is me. Tough crowd.
Yeah, I've got some case studies that I need to read, so I'm gonna go.
I agree 100%.
Yeah.
I'll make it.
I'll wear blue. Make sure your time matches.
Dogs, bro, we cooked, man. I think this whole game is over, bro. How are we gonna figure
What?
Dad and the board members?
Come on. Come on.
Does he often flake on you like this? I mean,
Do you often hate like this? Come on.
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Are you trying? No. Why does everyone keep asking?
Dr. Mokoena spiked him. What?
Oh my god.
Son of Owetu Skebi. We swapped lives to see who we are beyond our bank accounts.
Yo.
You lied to me.
No, I mean, I lied about my name, but everything else is true.
I liked you despite that. Look.
Well, I think I know what I want to do, Dad. I want to help people like Mom.
Your home cuts costs and also the wait time for treatment. We've kind of been waiting for you.
Where's this Kevin? Oh, wait, this is Kevin.
That was really long, but you know, I enjoyed it nonetheless. Amazing writing, great shots, good music. There's nothing more I can ask for, really. Amazing performances too.